Alright, I'm gonna hook up my damn MIDI now. See what this MIDI looks like. Since I hooked up my tape deck and done all that, let me see what this MIDI gonna sound like. First, I gotta unplug my phono, my 1/4 inch jack, and then I gotta place in my odds and evens and outs. My odds and evens, my evens and outs. And then I gotta low set my I got to low set. I talk present for them, I don't talk past. I always talk present. I learned that from reading up on totalism. Talk in the present. And on top of that, I've been predicting the future lately, and it's been weird. But it's kind of awkward because it's not distinct. It's like it's not gonna work for me. But it's happening. It's possible. I'm able to use it. I'm able to see into the future and see into the past. Let me get off the internet. Let me get off the free make video downloader. I might have to restart my computer after I turn it on. Somebody scratch my LSD. My LSD cover. No, I'm gonna cry. I don't cry over shit. I'm lucky. I got a good heart. Good heart meaning I got some good neurons in my heart arteries, man. Some good neurons. That's the thing. I gotta find the 1/4 inch plug. Oh yeah, I can just hook the 1/4 inch plug back in. Duh. And cut the tape deck off and not even use it. Duh. Duh. The program I'll be using today is FL Studio 9. FL Studio 9. FL Studio 9. Can FL Studio 9. Still when I use it on low, it still projects the sound. FL Studio 9. I use it every time I use it. FL Studio 9. I use it. FL Studio 9. Use it. Gotta use it. I gotta use C-cleaner to clean my computer because that joker's getting kind of slow on me. It's getting slow. Oh no! This damn watch made my arm itch. FL Studio 9. FL Studio 9. Alright, what you do, you go to your settings, under options you go to MIDI settings, you click on the MIDI settings, and then you go to MIDI and you check out your output, then you check out your input, and then you enable your input and you click X. Then after that you plug in the sound that you would like to hear, but no, you want to hear it click as soon as you click it. So what you do, you go to audio settings and you bring your buffer length all the way down so it can sound like FL Studio 1, the first one, Fruity Loops. And then after you do that, you pick your sound or your instrument that you'd like to use. And after you do that, then you'll be able to do what you would like to do. I'm gonna use the Fruity DX10 because that's my favorite instrument in the whole wide world. The reason why it sounds so scary and noisy sounding is because I brought my buffers all the way down to 128 instead of 5,138. like I added it first. But what I'll do, I'll put it underneath a compressor or make the compressor on top of it. Ooh. You sound like E40. I brought my buffers up to 3,120. Let me change the instrument preset. Alright, it's LK100 Casio, that's what I'm using, and I use a DX10. A really good one to use is the Alphatron. It's brand new, and Alphatron. And let me see what I want to use. See which preset. It's big. It's real big, and that's the Alphatron. I'm gonna use the heartbeat effect. See if I can go through some more presets. That's a nice little glide. What the fuck was that? Scared the fuck out of me. Anywho's, that's the end of my show. I just want to hook up my MIDI to my computer and this 1/4 of an inch to my tape deck so it can have that overdriven sound, because the way I have my recording levels to the tape that's in the tape deck itself hooked up to my mixer. And that's all I wanted to do for this one. What I was just talking about is in the last video. The MIDI cables, I just wanted them set up so I can be able to know if they work or not, because somebody moved my stuff while I was locked up. So I just had to make sure that everything was a-okay. And I may need some more batteries for my keyboard. So other than that, thanks for using YouTube to watch a video, and subscribe to a channel. And don't forget to press the like button on the videos that you like. And don't forget to follow whoever is making the video on Twitter, because that way you'll be able to see some of the videos from the other channel. Thanks for watching, and tune in. Peace.